Hello, so today I'm gonna explain about the network performance management in PRTG. Firstly, what is network performance management? So basically, network performance management is the process of monitoring and improving network performance, we can just say, so that it ensures that it operates smoothly and securely. Also, it plays a very important role in the IT industries, we can say, which helps businesses maintain a high level of services. So, so we can say that the network performance management involves a depth evaluation of each component of the network performance management, like error rates, packet loss, bandwidth, latency, utilization, and so on, so that it works as a smooth and in a efficient way. So here also it's written that the ultimate goal is to detect and resolve network issues. So what are just the key objectives? It analyzes the data, like it checks the performance and from the collect data. Also, it enhances the user experience. Like if the response time is less, it will be it will be better for the user also to access to different applications, and which increases their productivity also. Thirdly, we can just say the scalability performance network management tools provide insights for effective network scaling. Fourth is the monitor and collect meaningful data. It collects like the data whichever they need, and they look for the loss also. If the packet is lost due to the high latency or the high bandwidth also. Next are just the benefits, the reports. In the literature review, we have just written the key studies and the findings. Like also it's saying that the bandwidth usage, latency, packet loss, device health. Latency also defines as a delay in the transmission of data from one computer to another, or we can just say that the packet loss is the data packets. If the bandwidth is high, the packets may be lost or may not reach the original destination. Next is the tools and techniques that I have used. The first one is the SNMP, Simple Network Management Tool. It's a standard protocol for the collecting the information from various organizations and the devices from the various different IP devices. The next is SolarWinds. SolarWinds, we can just say, it's a network monitoring solution. Thirdly, it's a PRTG network monitor. Fourth is a Nagios. It's an open source monitoring system, we can just say. Uh, the Zabbix, Wireshark, and the techniques that I have used in the network management performance. Next is the methodology. What I have used in the PRTG network monitor. The first one is the servers, routers, monitor. Sorry. So I have just added the figures, some figures like how to add a device in the PRTG. I'll just firstly just check it. I'll just simply click on the device. So these are my devices. So if I just want to add a device in any of these, like I have just added the user device also and the user separate. Suppose if I just wanted to add a device in these, the virtual systems. So I'll just simply click add a device. So I just need to write the basic device settings like the I need to write the device name. So uh, let's just write the network as a device name. IP version I'll just set it as set it as IP4 only, and the IP4 address I'll just write 192.1.192.0.2. Rest I'll just leave it as it is. I'll just simply click OK. Just wait for a few seconds, then my device will be there on the virtual systems with the name of network. Yeah, here it is. So this is I have just added a device in the name of network. So if I just want to add a sensor to my device, I'll just simply click the sensors. Now if I just want to add a sensor, I'll just search it from here. So it's the options also written that what I have to monitor, on which system I have to target, what technology I need to use. So from here I'll just take any of these sensors. Mm, mm, mm. Like if I just want to add HTTP content, I'll simply click here the plus sign. In the meantime, when it's just doing like this, I'll just simply click on alarms. So it's showing me some alarms like the system health, because I have just set the system health to 90%. So the now the CPU system CPU load is 100%. That's why it's showing me the alarms. In the FTP, the connection timeout was 90 seconds, but the connection timed out. That's why it's also again showing me the alarms of the FTP. So I just on the devices also, at the sensor also, the alarms also. And if you just want to see the maps, I'll just simply click here. So right now, before it was showing me three alarms, now it's showing me the four alarms. So next, this I have just added a device in my PRTG. Next, I've just done the strengths and limitations of the PRTG, like the data traffic, all the systems monitor. Next is tools and features in PRTG. The tools that I can use, like the graphs, reports, dashboards, also the sensors that I have already tried to add a sensor here, like add a sensor to the device, to the prop device. Next is the case study, or then we can say the example, like managing network performance in a corporate environment. So the tech corporate is a company that use the PRTG. The main challenges they face is the high latency, like the delays in the data transmission and the video conferencing also, the packet loss. So the solutions that have implemented in the tech corp company so that they can just face these network performance management with they have used the strategies like the PRTG network monitor and the SolarWinds network performance monitor. So the benefits they have just